Hi folks, let's see how do checkboard background in PaintStorm. For some reason it not included by default, and I guess it may be because the software more oriented on painting. So if you need it for edit purposes, we can achieve it by recreating just tiny part of grid and then applying it as background texture. Okay. So let's start new square document with 80 pixels resolution. Then just fill it with black color. Choose crop tool and expand our document twice. Then choose move tool and put binding magnet on for easier placement. Duplicate our current layer. Move it to the corner and then merge this layer into one. Using crop tool, shrink document back. Then go to the selection menu and capture your new texture. Put RGBA button on and choose destination folder and press OK. Next, open new file menu, choose color close to mine, then turn on texture and find our new checkboard pattern. Change the scale to 16.5 and invert color. So that's it. For full HD resolution it will look the same way as in Photoshop. But for bigger resolution you will need increased scale. And as final stroke, need only save it as new preset. Or if you prefer always have it, press the start button to save it by default. Also, what cool about this that you can anytime change or adjust it in document setting for each file. For example, like changing color of checkboard, size, general opacity or darkness. So in other words, it's total flexible, so you can dynamically change it depending of content you have. Also, I recommend you to test all parameters from this menu even before applying it there, because it more clear and interactively represent how you will see the final result inside doc. The same approach you can use to create some simple two-dimensional grids too. I'll not recreate every one of them now, just will show generally how patterns should look like. Just as an examples. For grids probably better to use bigger file resolution. Also, for more interactive preview, when you create them, just turn on endless mode. So that's it.